Hey, my name's Abby and welcome to Cheap Eats. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken sweet corn pie that's under £5, perfect for families. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Really easy to follow. First, you want to cut up your leek into big pieces. I'd say it's about 1 inch wide. And just simply throw the end bit away. Grab your leek, put it in a bowl, set it aside for later. Next, you want to grab your chicken, season it with some salt and some pepper. And then give it a good rub so all that chicken is covered in that delicious seasoning. Put the chicken in the oven tray and whack it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And now we're just gonna dice up an onion. Perfect diced onions. Once it's all diced, grab a bowl, place all the onions in the bowl. Set the onions aside and let's cook some bacon. You want to use 15 grams of butter and allow it to melt in the pan. And now the butter's melted, you want to add the bacon to the pan. Let it sizzle for 5 minutes. This has been sizzling for 5 minutes now. All you need to do is add some onions. Give it a good stir for another 5 minutes until the onions go golden. Now this is nice and golden brown, you want to turn the heat down and add your leek. And then cover it with the lid and leave it on for 5 minutes. Now it's cooked for 5 minutes, turn the heat off and let it stand. Now we're going to transfer the chicken onto the board. And then you want to pour the chicken juice into a jug. Put that aside. And now we need to shred the chicken. So you don't want to use the skin and you don't want any of the bones. Take all the skin off. And shred the chicken like this. And now we're going to put the chicken meat into this oven tray. We're going to discard the chicken skin and the bones. And now we're going to add the sweet corn. Give it a good stir, spread it evenly in the pan, and then set it aside until we need it. You can use chicken juice, but I'm going to use chicken stock instead. You want to add 3 tablespoons of flour, sprinkle it all around, give it a good stir whilst it's on medium heat. You can add a wine, pour in the chicken stock, allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now the sauce is thickened, you want to add the double cream, give it a stir and leave it to cool for 5 minutes. Grab your chicken and sweet corn and then grab your sauce and just pour it all over the top. Even the sauce out and give it a good mix on the top. I'm going to add some puff pastry, tuck it in, poke a hole in the middle and then glaze it with some egg. And now we're going to put the pie in the oven for about 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It's been 30 minutes now, so let's get the pie out of the oven. It smells absolutely amazing. And that's it. Thanks for watching this episode of Cheap Eats. Remember to like and comment below of any other recipes you want us to try next. See you soon.